Hey, Raccoon. Hey, Raccoon. That's you right there, Raccoon. Get up in there and eat something. Go ahead. Come on. Get in there and eat something. Come on. Get up in there and eat something. I had to put the breakfast table over there up under the thing. Go ahead. Go ahead and eat something. That hurricane Nicole's coming there. And go ahead and eat something. I'm not going to mess with you. Go ahead. It's been sprinkling rain. I had to put the breakfast table up under the overhang of my house. You know, wind has been blowing strong. They said 20 something mile an hour winds right now. Raccoons didn't come by last night. I did not see them anyway. Hey, Raccoon, I'm just standing right here looking at you, Raccoon. I'm just looking at you. I'm looking at that raccoon right here. I'm looking at that raccoon right here. What is it? I got some pecans right here in my pocket too now. I'm getting wet standing out here. It's raining on me. Raccoon, it's raining on me a little bit, Raccoon. It's raining on me. He's hungry. He is hungry. He is eating wide open too. That raccoon is hungry. Go ahead. Go ahead and get your mouth full. Get that raccoon mouth full. Shoot, that wind is cold. Man. I'm talking about that gust of wind, a strong raccoon. That gust of wind is strong, Raccoon. You want some pecans? I got the pecans right here too, Raccoon. I got pecans right here too, Raccoon. I got pecans. I got pecans. Come here. Come here. Come in. Here. Come here. Come here. I'll put some pecans right here on top of this. It's not too bad up under here. I put this breakfast bowl right here so it wouldn't get wet. I got that little thing on top of it. Alright. That raccoon there was hungry. He's a little bit nervous because it's kind of a corner of fence. I got a fence here and my house is right here. He's in a corner. You don't want to get trapped. Okay. That wind is cold and that wind is blowing. Stop this video, stop.